Now.
Kayla, show me what you're doing with the candles. Kayla?
Joan, stop it. How should I give everything?
Kayla, do you like this?
Daddy, do you want me to blow it out?
No, make the bracha on the candles like you're doing before.
What?
Like
What were
this?
you doing with your hands before?
Once more.
Do it once more so I can see.
Very nice.
Dad?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Shavua tov. Cosmo, don't block.
Hey!